Hey guys, Ben here from PaxPower Performance Trucks in Houston, Texas. And I've been saying in a lot of videos lately that I think we might be doing more supercharged GM products than anyone in the world. Most of those are as you would expect, 6.2 liter trucks and SUVs, half tons, and what comes in the SUVs, Yukons, Tahoes, Suburbans, Escalades. We do a small amount of 5.3s, those occasionally come down, but something that's been growing really quickly in our parking lot and really quickly in popularity with phone calls and inquiries are these 6.6 liter gas engines. We treat them the same way as everything else. Put a 3.0 liter Whipple Supercharger, and because these engines are big, we get big numbers out of them. We get big power out of them, and they're really fun and cool trucks. And I don't think anyone else is really messing with these 6.6 liters. Don't see a lot of them out there on the internet or on YouTube, and I think this would be partly shown by this customer here had to come down from Canada to get us to do this work. We're proud to have it, but gives you an idea of there's just not many shops that are specializing in these. So want to take a few minutes, talk about our 6.6 liter supercharger packages, why you might want to do it. You know, one of the main reasons is it upsets the diesel guys. I can't tell you, every day I log on to YouTube and look in the comments, there are diesel guys just freaking angry about these 6.6 liter supercharged gas engines. I don't know what it is that upsets them. Maybe that our gas isn't stinky. Maybe it's that they're easy to work on. Maybe that they're cheaper, lighter, more fun to drive. Maybe it's all that stuff, but diesel guys are seriously upset by these. So let's talk about these big power, big hauling monsters behind me and see if it's the truck that you need in your driveway. So here we are in the bay of one of these trucks that we've added the 3.0 liter Whipple Supercharger to the 6.6 liter L8T gas engine. And first off, I just want to point out acres of room in here. This is how trucks used to be. There is room to work in here. And if this was the diesel model, anything but. I mean, diesel trucks are just full of parts and coolers and engines and turbos and pipes and everything. And I don't know about you, but I'm a pretty competent mechanic and I don't feel comfortable working on them. I don't want anything to do with diesels. This, on the other hand, this is trucks like our dads used to drive. This is a simple V8. It's a pushrod V8. It's an iron block. It's large displacement. I got room to work on it, room to service it. I got a mechanical fan. This truck is capable of doing work, like it can haul, it can tow, it can do anything. And that's what we like about these. These are functional trucks when they come from Chevy, but they are stinking slow and heavy. And we fix that. Something I've learned in the performance industry, you add horsepower to something, all of a sudden it feels a lot lighter. It's a lot faster, more fun to drive, easier to drive, getting on and off the highway, merging into traffic. It does all of those things. And we take these horsepower levels, factory, this comes with like around 400 horsepower, anything but now. Now we're up around 650 horsepower in this truck, 700 foot-pounds of torque. This thing is super powerful, super fun. Really blurs the line between work functional truck and fun fast truck. So I think that this is a really good platform for a lot of people that need to use their truck to do truck stuff, but also want something cool, fun, fast, sounds good, you know, but without some of the negatives that come with the diesel. So with the standard 6.6 liter supercharger package, at this point we've done dozens of those, and they're out there. People are using them for all kinds of things, from towing boats to, we actually have some hotshot drivers that are using these supercharged 6.6 liters to do work and tow heavy hauls all day. But with this one in front of me here, the one that came from Canada, we had a customer that said, I want to build my dream truck. I want to do something that no one else has, and we were happy to deliver. So while this one looks the same in the engine bay, we did some cool things inside the engine to make this 6.6 liter supercharger faster and better than any of the other ones out there. We took the L8T cam kit from Brian Tooley Racing, his full cam, the valve springs, retainers, everything, put it in here. And I don't know how much you guys know about performance. I've been in the performance industry for a while, and to me, Brian Tooley is gospel when it comes to cam specs. He does really awesome stuff. They always work well. They always drive well. They always make power. And this setup is no different. This is definitely the coolest L8T supercharged build we've ever done. More power than any of the other ones. I would estimate this being closer to 700 horsepower, 750 foot-pounds of torque. Because it's going all the way back to Canada, I got to drive this one a little bit extra, and let me tell you, this thing has a ton of power. If you're pulling out from, you know, a street, it almost always spins the tires. I mean, I've told him he's gonna get some bigger, better tires on this. He's got a lot planned for this truck once it gets back home, but you're gonna need it. This thing lights the tires up everywhere with all of the torque that it makes. It also has really cool driving characteristics. I don't know how Brian Tooley did it. Maybe that gospel, maybe he's, you know, got a little bit of special something about it, but this thing creates drivability unlike any other 3/4 ton I've ever driven. The transmission works better, the fueling works better, just everything is awesome. When with some of these big 3/4 tons, Chevy really kind of flutters the torque converter in and out to deal with all this torque. Somehow the camshaft changed all that. This truck just on shifts, boom, 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 just perfect, strong, solid, what you want out of a truck like this. So where I'm super happy with what we have in our normal 6.6 liter trucks, if you want the ultimate, you want the baddest gas engine in your 3/4 ton that Chevy offers, you want something that no one else has, you want to beat diesel trucks in races, this is the setup to do, and we'd be happy to do it for more. So, you know, you want to go big, we're happy to do that. The Brian Tooley cam did an awesome job, and so hopefully some more of y'all decide to elect to do that, because this was a really cool build, really cool truck, and I know this customer is going to be really stoked with it. If either one of these supercharged 6.6 liters sounds like something you're interested in, the first step with PaxPower, always the same. Give us a call. We'd love to hear from you.